How you can reduce display noise in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the CapCut application on a device and select on any of the projects that you want to reduce the noise. Here, as you can see, I've already selected the project. Now all you have to do is just simply tap on the project over here. As you do that, you can see different menus at the bottom of the screen. So just swipe and drag it to the left and here you'll be able to see different options. Now move until you get the option of reduce noise over here. So tap on reduce noise and toggle on this option. Now it will start reducing the noise and tap on the check mark. Next, what you can simply do is tap on the audio effects and select whichever effect is more convenient for you to use. After that, you can just go back and check if you have any other option to reduce the noise. So here you can tap on enhance voice over here and tap on allow, and then you just have to toggle on this enhance voice option. But since this is a pro version and premium version, you need to have a premium version to use this feature. If not, then you can just reduce the noise. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.